Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Let us start our new topic called Key Aspects of ESG Stakeholder Engagement. Very important topic called stakeholder engagement. ESG stakeholder engagement is crucial for organizations seeking to integrate sustainability into their business practices effectively. Stakeholders include internal and external stakeholders like examples investors, employees, customer, communities, regulators, NGOs, suppliers, among others. Engaging with these stakeholders involves fostering dialogue, understanding expectations, and building trust around ESG issues. Here we are writing certain key aspects of ESG stakeholder engagement. First one is about the importance of ESG stakeholder engagement. What is the importance of that? Now, to understand this, let us go one by one. Understand stakeholder expectations. Engaging with the stakeholder help organizations to understand stakeholder priorities, their concerns, their expectations regarding ESG issues. This insight enables organization to tailor their ESG strategies to align with stakeholders' interest and demonstrate responsiveness to their needs actually. The next is enhancing reputation and trust. Transparent and proactive stakeholder engagement can enhance organizational reputation. They can build trust and strengthen the relationship with the key stakeholders. Positive engagement reinforces credibility and demonstrates a commitment to responsible business practices. Managing risk and opportunities. Stakeholder engagement also help identify and manage ESG related risk and opportunities effectively. By incorporating stakeholder perspectives into decision making processes, organizations can mitigate risk, they can seize opportunities for innovation and enhance long term sustainability. Next is driving continuous improvement. Feedback is very important subject. Feedback from the stakeholders can inform continuous improvement in ESG performance and practices. Engaging stakeholders in ongoing dialogue foster a culture of learning, accountability and adaptation to evolving ESG challenges and opportunities. Next one is key principles of effective ESG stakeholder engagement. So what are the key principles? First one is inclusivity and diversity. Engage a diverse range of stakeholders representing different perspectives, interests and backgrounds. Ensure inclusivity in dialogue and decision making process to capture a broad spectrum of stakeholder insights. Next is transparency and accountability. Communicate openly, transparently about ESG strategies, goals, performance, challenges. Provide stakeholder with accurate and timely information to foster trust and accountability. Next is mutual benefits. Ensure that stakeholder engagement creates mutual benefits by addressing shared concerns, identifying collaborative opportunities, and fostering positive relationships based on reciprocity and respect. Next is dialogue and collaboration. Establish mechanisms for meaningful dialogue and collaboration with stakeholders. This may include stakeholder consultation, advisory groups, partnerships, and participation in industry initiatives or multi-stakeholder platforms. Then long-term engagement. We need to maintain ongoing and proactive engagement with stakeholders beyond occasional interactions or crisis situations. So building long-term relationships allows organizations to build trust, address concerns proactively, and demonstrate commitment to sustainable practices. The next aspect is strategies for effective stakeholder engagement. What can be the best strategies for effective stakeholder engagement? First is identify the key stakeholders. Identify, also prioritize stakeholders based on their interest, influence, and relevance to the ESG issues. Stakeholders mapping helps organizations to focus engagement efforts on those most critical to their business and sustainability objectives. The next is establish clear objectives. Define clear objectives and outcomes for stakeholder engagement initiatives, whether it's gathering feedback, obtaining buy-in for ESG strategies, or fostering collaboration. Clarity of purpose guides engagement efforts. Next is use multiple channels for communication. Employ diverse communication channels and formats to engage stakeholders effectively. This may include like meetings, workshops, surveys, social media, stakeholder forums, sustainability reports to reach a broad audience actually. The next is listen actively and responsibly. Actively listening to stakeholder feedback, concerns, suggestions demonstrate responsiveness by addressing issues raised, providing updates on actions taken, and communicating progress on ESG commitments. Next is integrate feedback into decision making. Integrate stakeholder insights and feedback into strategic decision making processes. Use stakeholder input to refine ESG strategies, set priorities, allocate resources, and measure the performance. Next is monitor and evaluate the engagement. Continuously monitor, evaluate the effectiveness of the stakeholder engagement efforts, assess stakeholder satisfaction, perception, and the impact of engagement activities on ESG outcomes to inform future engagement strategies. So, by prioritizing ESG stakeholder engagement and adopting inclusive, transparent, and collaborative approaches, organizations can build strong relationships with the stakeholders. And also, we can enhance ESG performance and drive sustainable value creation for all the stakeholders involved. Value creation, long term value creation. Thank you very much, friends. Let us start the new topic now.